Do you wish the properties you needed to report on were at your fingertips with ease and ease your pain when building your next report in HubSpot? Well, stay tuned, Francis. Stay tuned, because that's exactly what HubSpot just did for you and exactly what we're talking about today, right here, right now. Hey, you know what time it is. Let's start at the beginning. What the heck are top priorities? In life, that depends on who you are and what you're focusing on. But in HubSpot, it's a little simpler conversation. Top priorities in your HubSpot Hub is a new section in the left-hand fields panel within your HubSpot Custom Report Builder. This new section will pull in up to 3 of your most commonly used or top priority properties for each of your selected data sources. Why does top priorities matter in the HubSpot Custom Report Builder? Great question, and one I'm about to answer. But first, if we're just meeting, I'm your boy George B. Thomas, speaker, trainer, catalyst, and HubSpot trainer and inbound evangelist at Impulse Creative. If you like this video, or better yet, get value out of it, make sure you smack that like button with authority. With that said, let's get into the good stuff and get that question on top priorities answered. When building your own reports in the HubSpot Custom Report Builder, it can be challenging to find the best properties to report on. And before the HubSpot team launched top priorities, you had to search within your fields list to find the properties you needed, even if they were ones you had often used many times before in your reports. However, you can celebrate because you now, with top priorities, have quick access to 3 of your most used priorities in saved reports across each data source. Hallelujah! Hashtag power at your fingertips. That's right. Instead of taking the extra time and steps to find these yourself, HubSpot is now bringing these properties to you. So you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, the top priorities pulled in will be the 3 most commonly used properties in saved reports per data source. For instance, when selecting contacts, the top priorities that may show are contact owner, create date, and lifecycle stage. But the moral of the story is they will be your most used properties, so they could be different. If you add other data sources, such as deals, the top priorities may show the close date, deal stage, and pipeline when browsing in that data source. Or again, something completely different just for you and your team. Pro tip, by the way, at the time of this recording, top priorities only pulls in objects fields. However, I have it on good authority that in the future, event properties will be included in your results as well. Woo! Let's go, HubSpot. You're the best. So remember, the top priorities selected are based on what you and others in your HubSpot Hub have saved most often in your custom reports. As you save more reports in HubSpot, your top priorities will become even more tailored, more valuable to you and your team's reporting needs. Hey, if you want to get more information like this in the future, make sure you smack that like, press that subscribe button, and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. That was kind of aggressive. Question of the day: what does your reporting top priorities look like in your portal? Let us know in the comments below. And as you kick butt using the HubSpot Custom Report Builder, remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human. And of course, do some happy HubSpotting along the way.